I am so excited about this Valentine's Day stained glass activity. Super easy art project with a big effect. Hang them in windows, hang them in the hallway. Multiple templates for your students to choose from easy ones to hard ones, depending on how much time you have. All you need is construction paper, scissors, glue stick, and tissue paper. All right, so let's get started making this stained glass art project. You're going to need templates like this one, or you could do freehand. You're going to need black construction paper, depending on what size your template is. Then you're going to need, each student will need 2 pieces. Then just have them trace the templates. I like to have multiple templates floating around the room so that this part gets done quickly. Now, when they go to cut it out, you can do it a lot of different ways. You can have them trace on both pages and cut them out separately, or tape the 2 pieces together and then cut them out at the same time. Now we're ready for the tissue paper. I like to pre-cut my tissue paper into smaller pieces so that when students go to pick up the tissue paper, they're not wasting like a giant piece and only using a small piece of it. Also, I like to use glue sticks on this part because liquid glue can tend to get a little messy and students overuse it, and you don't want a lot of extra glue on the tissue paper. It ruins the stained glass look. So once your students have finished cutting out the tissue paper, make sure that it doesn't overlap any other opening, that it only covers the opening that it is there for. And then make sure when they're using the scissors to trim that they're really careful with that, because it can get a little, if they've already glued it down and they're trying to tape it, or to trim it, it can be kind of bad. All right, now we're ready to put the back on. We'd have cut the 2 pieces out, and now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use liquid glue this time. But hopefully you have been working with your students to really less is more with the liquid glue, and then you just tap it around the outside edge and you're done. Here's another example of, and actually a fairly easy one. If you use a Cricut, you can cut out the template, which is what I did on this one. And then I just had the students pick the colors for the background. So they did the tissue paper part, but the template was already cut out for them. And that makes it look really nice. If you're wanting to do this without a template, all you need to do is have your students cut out different sized hearts, put about 4 or 5 on the construction paper, trace them out, and then leaving about an inch space around the edge, 3/4 of an inch to an inch, they will then add the stained glass look. After that is done, then you're going to want to have them tape 2 pieces of the construction paper together and then cut out those openings on both pages at the same time. And then they'll just follow the same steps in cutting and gluing the tissue paper on one piece of the construction paper and then gluing the 2 together. All the templates are available at Acres of Learning on Teachers Pay Teachers.